Hey fellow foodies, today I'm going to bring you a banana strawberry smoothie bowl. It's very customizable, so I'm going to use a PB2 powdered peanut butter and some coconut flakes and some chia seeds, but you can use whatever floats your boat. It's all up to you, and that's the best part about smoothie bowls. So this is banana strawberry, so that is what I have here. I have 2 bananas and just a generous handful of strawberries, and we're just gonna throw these in the blender and we're just gonna puree them up. It might take a little while because it's very thick, but that's what you're going for here. So get your favorite bowl and just spread it on out and make it kind of even and just plop the toppings on top. You can make it pretty, like you can see the peanut butter kind of spread, but we're just making lines here. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but this is just the design I was going for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.